everyone, my name is Nusharika Hartini. So I'm going to give an overview of the case that I get, which is case number 3, corruption in Russia and IKEA expansion to the east. This case includes 4 sub-cases, which is A, B, C, and D. More likely explaining in level of how IKEA's business is expanding in Russia. Actually, Russia is in a political and economical turmoil where they have a slightly decrease in the overall population and extremely high on inflation and negative GDP growth. However, the Russian middle class were eager to improve their standard of living. Therefore, it is a must for IKEA to have an international retail chain to Russia. The key protagonist for this case is BKAL, who is the global CEO of IKEA. The main issue is that whether IKEA should continue expanding its business in Russia, and the underlying issues includes the corruption status of Russia itself as the top 20% most corrupted country in the world, and unsolved issues on the construction of overpass at key stores, and issue regarding local utility company where IKEA need to pay special service fee as a bribe or proceed without electricity. However, the issue regarding local utility company transferred to renting out diesel generator, which will generate electricity to the store. Another issue. At the end of 2008, IKEA had opened 11 giant stores called mega malls due to increasing demand in IKEA's products. However, IKEA's growth hindered by those external circumstances. For example, like bureaucratic challenges, in which they keep prohibit IKEA from opening the Samara store due to the violation of numerous safety rules and other regulations. Then from these external issues, it came to the internal issues where highly charged rental on diesel generator and corruption incurred by the executive of Russia IKEA. And this issue of internal corruption been resolved by terminating both local companies and purchase manager. IKEA have to deal with court in terms of claim for the compensation for fraud and breach of contract to the diesel generator company. And here comes enactment of new law. Legal system does not provide any security to the business. There is a prohibition in surprise inspection and requires spouses of the bureaucrats to disclose their income and asset. This act reduces the act of tax evasion and money laundering. This case can be analyzed with code of conduct, in which there is internal corruption incurred within the company, and then the pastel analysis, since it's involved in the growth of the company, and whistleblowing policy and procedures, where there is a scenario when the managers started to expose and disclose all the corruption things to the media, which is the New York Times. IKEA is one of the largest foreign investors in Russia, and as they announced that they will not have any future investment, this will give a pressure to the government. So there are few options, which is should IKEA continue expanding their business in Russia or not. In this case, I believe it's better for IKEA not to expand their business in Russia because there is too much that they need to deal with, and there is more other country that they can expand to without dealing with those corruption things. That's all for the case. Thank you.